Hello, and welcome to Developer Weekly. I'm excited to share with you the latest updates on trending projects from GitHub and Hacker News. Let's dive into this week's highlights. Microsoft has launched a 12-week, 24-lesson curriculum on artificial intelligence, AI, for beginners. The course covers different approaches to AI, including symbolic and neural network-based learning, as well as architectures for working with images and text. It also includes less popular techniques such as genetic algorithms and multi-agent systems. However, it does not cover business cases of using AI in industry or classic machine learning. Students can access pre-reading material linked within the lessons and executable Jupyter notebooks, specific to PyTorch or TensorFlow frameworks. Labs are available for some topics that allow students to apply their knowledge to specific problems. Google Cloud has launched a new set of generative AI training resources, including courses on large language models and image generation. Generative AI is a subset of deep learning that uses artificial neural networks to create new content such as text, imagery, audio, and synthetic data. Google's offerings include generative AI support on Vertex AI and Gen App Builder, which allow developers to access foundation models from both Google and other sources for their own use cases. The company also offers PaLM 2 for text and chat, which can classify and generate text, answer questions, and summarize documents. Other features are available to select trusted testers. Ecoute is a live transcription tool that provides real-time transcripts for both the user's microphone input, U, and the user's speaker's output, speaker, in a text box. It also generates a suggested response using OpenAI's GPT 3.5 for the user to say based on the live transcription of the conversation. Ecoute is designed to help users in their conversations by providing live transcriptions and generating contextually relevant responses. By leveraging the power of OpenAI's GPT 3.5, Ecoute aims to make communication more efficient and enjoyable. Tremor is an open-source React library designed to help data scientists and software engineers build dashboards quickly. The library includes over 20 components, from charts to input and layout elements, with simple props that make it easy for developers to create analytical interfaces. Tremor also provides a variety of templates built on top of the library to give developers a head start in building great interfaces. The API approach is straightforward, allowing users to get ahead without spending too much time on front-end work. Tremor was created by data scientists and software engineers who have distilled their knowledge from building dashboards into the toolset. DatabaseDiagram.com is a free online tool that allows users to create database diagrams by typing code. The tool is designed for modelers and data analysts, with a simple syntax that enables users to capture and express their ideas without GUI interruptions. All diagrams are private, with no user tracking or limitations, and there is no need to sign up or register. Users can generate SQL statements directly from the tool to create their database tables, as well as creating beautiful diagrams for presentations. The processing of DDLs and rendering of diagrams are performed locally within the browser, ensuring privacy and security. There are no usage limits on the tool, which comes with no warranty or guarantee of any kind. The article discusses tokenization in large language models such as GPT-3, 4, LLaMA, and PaLM. Tokens are integers that represent text input to the model. The author has built a tool using Observable Notebook that can convert text to tokens, tokens to text, and run searches against the full token table. The tokenizer from GPT-2 is used in this tool for educational purposes only since there are differences between how it works and the latest tokenizers for GPT-3 and above. The article also explores interesting patterns revealed by playing with the tokenizer, including glitch tokens which refer to user-generated content on Reddit that ended up getting its own token due to frequent occurrence during training data creation. Finally, OpenAI's tick token library is introduced as a Python library for counting tokens before passing them through an API limit of OpenAI's models. CSSBattle has launched Learn, a gamified CSS course aimed at beginners, intermediates, and experts. The course is designed to be played like a game, with multiple levels that teach users about the basics of CSS and commonly used properties. There are also courses for intermediate and advanced learners covering layouts, animations, and more complex concepts. All courses come with free lifetime updates for new or updated levels. While there are many ways to learn CS online for free, the creators say their course offers an interactive experience where users can learn by doing rather than watching videos or reading long articles. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Developer Weekly. If you enjoyed the content, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. You can also follow us on social media for more news and discussions. This is Dev Weekly. Until next time, happy coding and stay curious.